morning. This is our day 2 here in Durrës, Albania. Mag-breakfast muna kami. Unlimited breakfast. 7:30 na. At meron kaming tour ngayon. So after this breakfast, may tour kami. Ano yung tour natin? Going to Sarandra. Ito yung view namin. Napang tao. Withdraw muna kami kasi kailangan namin ng cash. Although tumatanggap naman sila ng euro dito, pero mas maganda na meron yung talagang sariling pera nila. So, yun ang ATM machine, dyan tayo magbe-withdraw. Kasi ang hirap na wala kang cash. Parang dito mas preferred nila yung, although sa mga grocery stores naman, nung bumili ako kahapon, cash ay card yung ginamit ko. Pero syempre yung mga nasa gilid lang ng mga nagtitinda, wala naman silang mga machines. So dito tayo bibili.
It's very beautiful beach, but it is a little bit far away, but it's like beach. It's very beautiful.
Tatlo lang
Not like
ata kami
Popula,
dito
it's like
sa
you are at the
minute lang ng car,
at your
parang
place.
private tour siya. Apat lang kami yung driver, tapos tatlong passengers.
Or to make something, to go to toilet, if you have questions for everything, you can ask me. If you don't like something, tell me
You know.
to change it directly. I take this small car because you are only free to go more faster and to come more faster. To have to pass a lot of time to the beaches. I don't know, you have plans for evening?
No plans.
Pardon? Plans for evening.
No.
Plan something. No, so here. Everyone came here. If you go inside, it's full with people. Full with people. It is like a traditional thing they made. I'll leave the car here. Just 3. From a guy, from an immigrant who live in London. So you'll see the European.
So guys, dito na kami sa first stop namin. I'm going to try their ice cream. Ano flavor sa'yo, boy? Lek. Yan ba yung traditional nila? Like? And one dark chocolate, please.
One with dark chocolate.
Yes, please. Ayan na, si Kasmin.
With just a park here.
Ito na tayo. We're here in Kasmil. Grabe, sobrang init.
strategic position. Yes.
That is called.
Yes.
Oh, that's colorful. Nandito kami sa third na ba to? Third location. Third stop. Grabe, ang ganda.
All the city. Now it's not the bus, now it's like waiting. Waiting here.
Okay.
You can see
Fine.
entire city. I'm starting from here.
Ah, okay. So this is our fourth stop. So we're going to see the Blue Eye Natural Spring Water. Tignan yung aming tour guide. Oh! Kaya namin nagsiswimming niya. Grabe yung lamig. It's cold. Kita mo? Grabe. Hindi naman pwede. Ha? Hindi pwede. Sobrang clear ng water nila and sobrang cold. Ayan siya. Tapos magte-train. Actually hindi siya train, para siyang train. Train pabalik. Ayan na, iba na kami. There's another one there. Fully booked. Fully booked. Balik na kami. Bilis na. May isip pa pala kami pupuntahan. So last na to. Ay, parang pagod na ako.